I've chosen Saint Rosa Mystica to be my saint for confirmation. I've chosen her because I would like to help those who have turned away from God to find their way back and to keep worshiping God. I've also chosen this name because my sponsor really admires her, and I would like to be like my sponsor as well. Saint Rosa Mystica really helped priests, nuns, and monks who turned away from God. She used to work at a hospital as a nurse when Mary appeared to her and told her that she had 3 swords in her chest. She told her that these were the sins that people were committing, and she needed Rosa to go out and help those people. She gave her 3 roses. She told her the 3 roses stood for the spirit of prayer, the spirit of sacrifice, and the spirit of penance. She said that if she helped these people to find their way back to God, that she would be promised a better life. Rosa Mystica really did not care about a better life. She just wanted to help those to get back to God. So that's why I chose Saint Rosa Mystica.
Very good, thank you. I learned a few things. I have